Let's make tuna roll. You will need plain flour. Go in with salt, baking powder, and ground nutmeg. Stir this to mix and go in with margarine. Gently rub it in and go in with egg. Rub it in gently, followed by milk to form your dough. Cover with a cling film and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Now let's make the filling. In a pot or a saucepan, go in with 1 tablespoon of oil and diced onion. Stir and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Go in with your tuna. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Go in with spring onion and carrot. Let it simmer for 2 minutes, followed by garlic powder and vegetable seasoning. Our filling is ready. Now get part of your dough, roll it out and cut the edges and go in with your filling. Roll it and cut it into your preferred size. Now egg wash and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.